Hey, what's up guys? I'm Fernando Costa. Behind me is my R33 GT-R and you're watching HDWerks. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. By the way, if this is your first time, please click the subscribe button for more videos. Here we're going to talk about my blue GTR R33 that I bought last year from a guy in Orlando. Came from Russia. Originally it was a white car. Somebody painted the car blue, which looks amazing. Good condition for a car that's, 95. They also came with the T37 wheels, bronze like that. I really love the combo. I think it looks more like the Paul Walker style with this color. We redid the brakes, brake lines. We kept the original Brembo brakes. We did the slaughter rotor, the pads, the lines, because they were very bad and rusted. So Peter did a very nice job taking care of the paint, the car, the engine, the wheels and everything. And we're gonna continue with the side of the car. We replaced the side mark, the badge. Everything else is stock on the car. And you guys can see the car is lowered and we use Fortunato coilovers just to make the car look a little bit lower and a little bit more aggressive. And here in the back of the car, the only thing we did was change the blade for a carbon fiber blade instead of the blue. The wing is a stock wing. I also changed this badge here. This is a GTR R33 V-Spec. It also says on the V number. And we also bought a off-the-shelf Tomei exhaust catback, and Pete customized everything from the catback to the turbos with the titanium pipe with the welding, which it looks amazing. A really work of art. So let's check the engine bay. Also guys, when I got the car from the guy in Orlando, when I bought the car, I took to another shop. He did a few things, but it wasn't what I expected. Then when I brought to Pete, he's like, Fernando, I'm sorry, but we have to do everything again. The wiring, it was all badly done. The turbo was bad inside, outside, exhaust manifold, intake, everything was very badly done. Pete showed me the car that he's been working with, and I'm like, this is what I want. Somebody that works with passion. They really care of what they're really doing, He opened a whole notes on the phone for me, and he kept me updating every day what he was doing on the car. So it was amazing. I've never experienced this anywhere with a mechanic. It was a different experience for me. Even when we take all the cars to big dealers, they don't keep you, up to date with everything that he was doing in the car with pictures and memos. After we talked, we came up with a game plan. We power coded all the stock parts. He took the whole engine apart, repaint the whole engine bay. When he put it back, he changed all the screws to brand new screws, so it looks like a brand new car. I can drive this every day, all day, the way it is. He did the whole fuel line, whole fuel system. He also fixed a bunch of stuff on the brake system, brand new clutch. We did almost everything that needs to be done to make new again. All right, here, Pete customized a very nice catch can, fit perfect in here. We also power coated all the stock intake and all the pipes. Also, when he painted the engine bay, he painted the strut bar. Here we got a Tomei fuel rail. He also painted the cover, everything to match the color of the car. He also, the titanium pipe, you can see that's all turning blue, which is beautiful. He also put the AC back on this car. They had no AC. So he customized all the lines. Now I have AC in Florida. So I'm very happy with that. And he also used the Vibrant Performance power steering can here, customized. And you're also gonna see a G-Series gear turbo, top of the line. That's their newest turbo. Also with an HKS air filter and an exhaust manifold. Also with the Turbo Smart waste gauge. Also, when the car got here, everything was like hanging loose, right? It was like poorly done. So the radiator was buttoned right here. So he put the radiator back into place. He put the PRP brackets here, and adjust the radiator at the right spot. So we have a perfect fit. Popping inside, just showing the interior of the car. It looks like a 95 car, on the inside. The only thing I've done here was changing the steering wheel. I put the carbon fiber R34 wheel. I think it was missing something with more GTR look to it, but everything else is stock, from the shifter to the floor mat. Headline is in perfect condition. Seats are perfect condition. I want to keep as stock as I could. All right, enough of the talking. Let's start this thing up, and this is how it sounds. All right, guys, this is how it is to drive this car around. We changed the clutch. It's a racing clutch, but I try not to be too aggressive on it. But people still struggling with clutch like this because it's on and off. But, you know, as you drive, you get used to. But, you know, let me show you guys a little bit of this driving here. The funniest part about driving this car is the attention that it gets. When we're driving around, actually a cop car just pulled up by the window here and started to talk about the car. To tell the truth, sometimes it brings more attention than any exotic car. I think exotic cars, you'll see it more often in Florida at least. But here, you know, this type of car, you don't see it very often. Also, the blue color brings a lot of attention. People think it's Paul Walker driving around on the R34, but it's an R33, it's almost there. All right, so the car right now, it's about 450 wheel horsepower. And, you know, ideally it was to get around 800, but it's a stock motor. So my next step right now, it's a built motor, but that's for the future. So far, I'm enjoying driving with 450. You know, I've been dailing it since I got it from Pete. Every other day, I'll take the car and I drive the whole day. I go to work, come back, you know, take my kids at school, which is pretty funny. You know, the kids don't understand why I'm driving in the other side of the car. So it's pretty fun. My kids love it. Actually, I'm teaching one of my kids to drive stick shift. Him sitting on the other side, you know, and he changed the gears. Very nice. I mean, really enjoying it. I always thought I was gonna like it, but it's way more than I expected. Hey guys, I really hope you guys enjoy my Bayside Blue R33 GTR. If you want to learn more about the parts we use in this build, check the link below. And also I want to shout out to Pete at HDWerks for the great job that he did. See you guys next time.